So I have this issue that we're using Cloudflare for caching, and we're using VP Rocket together. And it works great, but if you do a lot of changes on your site, all the cached pages that Cloudflare is caching, we're using something here called automatic platform optimization for WordPress. If you enable that, that's all good, but the problem is that this doesn't get cached by default. So it only happens when users are visiting the pages. So if you create a lot of new content and you clear your cache all the time like we do here, you basically have all your pages are gone in the Cloudflare cache, and now someone has to visit them again, and the first visit will then be slower because these users are technically generating the cache. And as I understand it, the only way to fix it is to either upgrade to Enterprise, which costs $1 billion trillion to prefetch the URLs, or you can do something for free. So I prefer that. I installed Cache Warmer, which is basically set up to every day visit all of our pages to trigger the Cloudflare cache, and I can see here that it got hit and that the cache is triggered and that they're super fast. So I'm not 100% sure the effect of this, but I can monitor it in different ways, and I think it's one of the reasons that our Search Console is having issues right now. Not issues, but the mobile speed could be a little bit better. We're almost there. And I think this is due to cache, because we keep updating, so it jumps up and down, because some periods like here we didn't do any SEO, then we do a lot of SEO and a lot of changes to the site, and the cache is constantly cleared. So if you want to fix that problem yourself too, then I recommend something like the Cache Warmer plugin, which is free. It's super easy to use, and it works together with VP Rocket. You don't have to do anything else, and with the Shopify, the Cloudflare optimizations. All right, that's it.